Assalamualaikum, my dear students. I hope you are enjoying your days safely with your family, and you must be warm, be welcome, and be at home. Okay? And you have to notice some pictures here. First of all, here is see some electrical connector. Okay? Another picture, another kind of connector, and there's so many connectors in the medium of electronic device. Okay, so what about today's lesson? Okay, today's lesson is connectors. Okay, connectors, it is not like the electronic device, like the connectors in electronic device. In English language, you have to use so many connectors. And today we will discuss in brief about that connectors, and such connectors will help us to make the language rhetorical, and it will enrich to express our English language. Okay? So, connectors in English grammar are basically communicative words which are used for connection similar elements present in a sentence. So, these are some conjunctive words, okay? Conjunction, some kind of connection. How you can begin every sentence in your language. What about its beginning? What about its next position? What about the ending? In every sentence we see so many kinds of mood, and the connectors will help us to express the mood of the speaker, of the writer. Okay. So today we will know about the types of connectors in English. There are so many connectors in English, and it is not possible to explain that in one session. I have arranged in brief such connectors which you face in your everyday English. So first of all, we will face some connectors which will express the contrast. Logical connectors to show the contrast. Sentence linkers example. But by using the word but, this connector will help us some kinds of contrast in a sentence. I wanted to go to swimming, but I am so tired. So we have some contradictory situation. So we can use it. However, the film received good ratings. However, it was very long. So here we all find some opposite direction. We can use however. On the other hand, I was eager to join them for the vacation. Okay. Otherwise, this is also. So we here find 4 connectors such as but, however, on the other hand, and otherwise. And these connectors will help us to express the contrast in any sentence. Okay. However, on the other hand, and otherwise. Then we'll face some connectors that will mean cause and effect sentence. We'll face some sentence, there must have some cause, and where we find a cause, there must be an effect. And such situation will be expressed by some connectors. For example, therefore, there must be some cause before using the therefore, and by using therefore we will express the effect of the cause. For example, I slept very late last night, therefore I missed the morning prayer. Here you find a cause that I slept very late. And what is the effect? Therefore I missed the morning prayer. Next, so is another connectors. The blue bag was full, so he kept the packet in the yellow bag. So by using so, we can also use the effect. Thus, hence, due to, as a result, consequently. Thus, hence, these are the same words. Hence is the archaic form. So, thus, hence, these words will mean same. It will help us to reach the ending, the result, the effect of any situation. And due to will express the cause of any effect. What is the reason behind the result of any action? And as a result, you know what is the meaning? As a result means what is the final ending of any situation, and consequently is the same case. So by using such connectors, you can express the sentence expressing the cause and effect of any situation. And now we'll face sequence, conclusion and time connectors. There are so many connectors which will help us to express the sequence of any incident. What about the first motive? What about the second? What about the third position of the incident? That will express to conclusion. It will help us to reach the result of any situation, and time connectors. First of all, later means which will happen next. That later it will got resolved. After, before, then, next, soon, finally, at first sight, first of all. For example, first of all, you have to take care of your health. Then you will mind yourself in your study. Next, in this case, soon you will come to college. Okay. Finally, you will make a good result. In this way, you can use such kind of connectors which will help us to express the sequence of any incident, to reach any conclusion, to express the time of the incident. Okay, here I have made the bold letters of the example. It will help you to know the example and use of the connectors. Okay, advanced connectors. Now we will know about it. In addition, besides means side by side. When you face two situations, then you can use the connector. In addition means one situation will be available, and side by side you have to use another situation or point. Then you can use in addition or besides. The umbrella will protect you from the sun. Besides, it will come handy if rainfall starts. So here you find the twofold benefits of umbrella, and to express such situation we have to use such connectors, that is in addition and besides. On top of that, what is the top point of anything, any issue, any matter, any situation, and on top of that you will also get incentives. Then furthermore means besides, it is the same situation, and moreover means in addition. What will happen? More. Then you can use moreover. You have to cook lunch, and moreover that you also have to go to the market in the evening. So these are the connectors, in addition, besides, on the top that furthermore, moreover, to express the advanced connectors. Then most common connector words that we face in our everyday English. Now I will in order to means some purpose, objectives of any work. Then so as to, the same meaning, so that, same meaning, in order that. Okay, so such kind of connectors. In order to prove him wrong, he started shouting. Here he has the motives that he wants to prove himself wrong. So he started shouting. To express any motives, you can use in order to. So as to, so that, in order that. This such a same example sentence. How you can express the example sentence with the help of any connectors. For example, this is the best connector to express the example sentence. For example, take the rising graph of air pollution. For instance, the same meaning, for example and for instance. Different opinion connectors in English. When we express different opinions with our partners, friends or other members, then we have to use such kind of connectors to tell the truth. Personally, to be honest, I think that it's true that, okay, I agree as far as I am concerned. Such kind of connectors will help you to express your personal feelings, especially when you express different opinions side by side with your partners. Okay. So you must, you not only know the connectors, I hope you will use such connectors in your everyday English, especially when we write the creative English, any paragraph, any story, and it will enrich your English and it will give you a rhetorical English. So that's all for today. I have made the session very short so that you can enjoy the connectors in brief. And again I will tell you to take care of your health and be attentive. Goodbye. Thank you.